Hey everyone, James here. Today I'm going to make a cooking video. It's going to be simple and sweet. I'm just cooking for me, so it's not going to be a big ordeal. But we've all heard of the beer can chicken situation. I'm going to do something just a little bit different. It's going to work out just fine. Stay tuned. Alright, here we go. This is my backyard. There's my burn pile, pretty much my fire pit. It's all covered up with sheet steel. Can't really see it. I use that for a lot of stuff. Fence, tin. Here's what I got going on. I dug a hole, and I've got just a little piece of old grill grate, heavy duty. That all right there is from past fires. I like grilling on the ground. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my charcoal on top of there because you want a little bit of air underneath it so it'll burn easier and faster. And what I've got here is a grill grate, a solid one, off of a gas grill. I'm going to put that across the top, and then I'm going to set my beer can on the center of it. And what I got here is my burn barrel. It's a small one. It's not a full-size one. As you can see, probably tell there's holes all inside it. If you've seen the video where I was talking about my survival knife, this is what I poked holes in with it. And I cut out the end of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit that right on top of that. You can see. And my beer can is going to be sitting in the center of that. And this is going to cause a tornado effect of heat inside there. I'm not even going to need to cover this up. And it won't take very long to cook it. But I'm going to be using something a little bit different. It's alcoholic beverage, but and it's not going to be chicken. So hang around and I'll show you what it's all about. Stay tuned.
That's right. Let's go.
Alright, I wanted to show you all what a burn barrel will do. This is a smaller barrel, but that's not very much charcoal in there, and I can't get too close because that just turns it into a fire tunnel. Because, like I said, I've poked holes all the way around it with my survival knife, but that little bit of charcoal, it will become an inferno. But yeah, once that dies down, charcoal is going to be ready. Anyway, just wanted to show you that. Yeah, let's see if I can get up the top there. Oh yeah. Alright, be back in a second. We'll keep it going. Finish it up. Alright. Well, my air conditioning unit, heat and air thing is right beside me. I don't know if you can hear me, but it came on. Here's what we're going to be doing. When I said beer can shrimp, I'm going to be using Mike's Harder Lemonade. And I've just kind of cut the top open a little bit like that. And what I'm going to do is pour all that onto this bowl here. And over here, I've got some colossal shrimp. Now I'm going to load those into this can right here and then pour the lemonade beer, whatever you want to call it, cover them up back in there. Then I'm going to place my griddle grate over my coals, and then I'm going to put my burn barrel over all that, and it won't take but just a short minute for that to come to a boil and boil those huge shrimp in that Mike's Harder Lemonade. I do apologize about that heating and air unit. It got a mind of its own. But I'm going to put those on top of some 90-second rice, and I'll show you that here in a second. I like to use those old aluminum pie pans, the old school ones. But be right back here in just a second. Show you the process. Alright, see if I can do this with one hand. Got my little handy tongs here. Of course my hands are clean, so I'm just going to grab these big juicy things and I'm going to load this can up all the way. Well, pretty much all the way. Hey, there we go. It shut off. Yep. Just keep loading them in there. Fill that up. You can see down in there. Now these are peeled and deveined, and I've washed them off fairly well. And then we're going to take the Mike's Hard Lemonade and just cover them. See if we can get this right. Not all the way, just, it's liable to boil over, but that's all right. Now I just left the top hanging like that. You don't have to. I mean, you can cut it all the way off if you want to. Now I'm going to take my griddle grate and lay it over that. Lay it on hot coals, and it won't take very long for that to become very hot. You can see it's getting air around it. And I'm going to take this and set it right in the center and put that over the top, or just kind of fold it over a little bit. And my burn barrel is probably still a little bit hot from earlier when I showed you the Inferno. So now I'm going to take this and set it right over that. Now, you don't have to cover it really. So once that gets pretty hot, it's going to do what it needs to do. But we'll be right back, and I'll show you the finished situation, finished product. All right, hang tight. All right, folks, and we're back. And this is pretty much done. Sun's going down, it's going down fast, but there's that Mike's Hard Lemonade with the shrimp in it. What I'm gonna try to do this one-handed with my camera here. I don't have a mount, but got my trusty survival knife. One of the holes I poked in with it, I'm gonna pick this up without knocking that over. Set that over there. There we go. All right. And also, yeah, it's pretty hot, but you can see that shrimp is done. And to accent that, bought this 90-second roasted chicken rice. So I'm gonna strain the shrimp through this strainer here, and put the rice in my old school aluminum pie pan, plate it up, and we'll show you what we got going on when it's all said and done. Be right back. And here we are. Colossal shrimp on roasted chicken rice. Mike's Hard Lemonade. Beer can shrimp on rice. Oh yeah. Excellent day. Hope you enjoyed it. There's more to come. If you like my channel, subscribe, leave some comments, click that like button, and like I said, there's more to come. Peace out. Have a good one. I'm going to enjoy a good dinner. Have a good one. Be safe.